Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Amazon Flex account in Canada in 2025. So previously Amazon Flex account services were not available in Canada, but as of 2025 you can definitely create your account on Amazon Flex in Canada without any problem. So you can start by first of all downloading and installing the Amazon Flex application from your Google Play Store or App Store. Now once it is installed successfully, you will have to simply tap on the open button, and on the home page you will see this type of page where it will ask you whether you want to sign in with Amazon or you want to create an account. So if you already have an account at Amazon, you need to tap on the sign in with Amazon option, then provide your login credentials, and you need to simply log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on the create an account option and provide your first name, your last name, your email address or your phone number, and then you just have to create your account at Amazon with the help of these credentials. Now once this step is done, it will ask you for the permissions of your locations. So if you are residing in Canada, you just have to allow the permissions, and you need to allow the camera permissions, video permissions, your location permissions as well. So once this step is done, it will ask you to get started with the delivering with Amazon Flex. The interface will look something like this. So among the given options, you just have to select the one that best resonates with you. So let's say I'm going to start these, and then you need to simply press continue. Now on the next page, you need to provide your PIN code. Now after entering your PIN code, you will be landed on this page where it will ask you to select the days that you want to deliver, then heart your top 3. So here you just have to simply select at least 3 days a week, and you need to heart right next to it like this one. Then you need to press next in the bottom. On the next page, you need to select the time you want to deliver. So you just have to select the best time, and again you need to tap on the heart icon right next to it. Then you need to press next in the bottom. Now you need to select how many hours per week do you want to deliver. So you can select the option, and then you need to press next in the bottom. Then it will ask what mode of transportation will you be using to deliver at Flex. So you can select any of these options that you have. Let's say I've selected motorcycle, so you need to select and press continue. Basically you will have to give the answer to these questions, and based on your responses it will show you whether their services is available in your area or not. Most probably you will get the services in your Canadian area. I have entered the Indian area, that's why it has shown me that the services are not available, but in your Canadian area the services will be available. Then you need to follow further on screen instructions in order to successfully set up your Amazon Flex account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.